in case you don't know already, this is a group of 35 stocks that have been screened by YCharts that have Peter Lynch-like qualities. The stocks are small cap, have low PEG ratios, reasonable debt to equity ratios, and something of a dividend. Once they screen for that, yeah, they come up with this list of 35. I've done a few videos on some of the other names on this list, so be sure to check those out. And right now, I'm going to be looking at this guy right here, Vinci Partners Investments Limited. The ticker symbol is VINP. Keep in mind, I don't know a lot about these companies. Make sure you do your own due diligence if you're going to be investing in any of these. Yeah, this is just going to be a really quick overview of Vinci Partners Investments. So yeah, it has a market cap of just over 600 million, so it is indeed a small cap. It has a decent dividend yield of 6.62%. The 5-year revenue growth doesn't exist. Maybe it's a new listing. It looks like it's maybe a new listing. Revenue quarterly year-over-year growth is -17%, so not doing great there. EPS diluted. Quarterly year-over-year growth is 31.51%. Debt to equity ratio is 0.1341. Return on equity is 15.61. It has a P ratio of 14.54. YCharts gives it no rating whatsoever. It has a value score of 9 out of 10, a fundamental score of 6 out of 10, and doesn't really have much of a historical valuation multiple. Probably because, yeah, it hasn't really been, looks like it hasn't been listed for that long, or I'm not really sure why this is, but I'm guessing that's has something to do with it. Like, starts in January 29, 21, so not that long ago. The profile says Vinci Partners Investments is an alternative investment platform in Brazil. Its business segments include private market strategies, liquid strategies, investment products and solutions, and financial advisory. The company's segment includes private market strategies. So it doesn't say where it's headquartered, but I'm guessing Brazil. Sectors, financial services, industries, asset management. Let's look at some of the key stats. Cash on the balance sheet has 259 million in cash, and looks fairly steady for the last maybe year or so. Long-term debt 34.34 million. Doesn't seem totally unreasonable. Return on equity is 15.61%. Free cash flow 25.96 million. And decreasing. PEG ratio is quite high. 4.515. I wonder why YCharts included this in their list with a PEG ratio that high. It's pretty high. Yeah, the shares outstanding. Kind of bouncing around here a little bit, but not really doing anything with the shares. And yeah, the dividend yield 6.62%. The payout ratio is pretty good on that. It's 90%, just over 90%. I mean, it's a brand new company. It seems like it's and it's in Brazil, so hard to know what to say. I mean, a lot of these investment companies haven't been doing too hot lately, just because it's the way the stock market has been going. So a lot of them have been under pressure lately. But I don't know. Yeah, I wouldn't put this on my watch list necessarily. But yeah, there you go. That's Vinci Partners Investments Limited. If you're interested in keeping up to date with this portfolio of 35 stocks, check out my website, peterlynchinvestor.com. I update the site with this list of 35 stocks routinely, and also I have a newsletter, so if you want to subscribe to that, you'll get updates to this portfolio. And you can also subscribe to the channel. I plan on doing more of these kinds of videos, and spending a little more time digging into some of the stocks here, and going over some of the principles of investing according to Peter Lynch. So stay tuned for more videos and content. Just be sure to subscribe. Thank you.